Newsletter. Let's talk how to create and manage newsletter in Magento 2. We're in dashboard, and the first thing that we would like to check is newsletter configuration. Let's go to stars, and here on the settings we have configuration. Let's click on it, and let's find the tab called customers. I'm gonna scroll down, and here we have customers. Let's click on it, and let's click newsletter. And here we have a general configuration for newsletter. Practically all the settings are configured the way you more likely need. So I don't think that you will need to change something, but I suggest you to double check all the settings here. That's the first point that you should know. The next thing is creating a newsletter template. Let's go to marketing, and let's find under communications newsletter template. I'm gonna click on it, and here I'm gonna click add new template. Here is a place where we could create a newsletter template. For example, let's say that we would like to send some kind of email related to Black Friday sales. So let's call this Black Friday sales. Let's repeat the same here, okay? And send an email. For example, we could put here the name of our store, or we could leave customer support. It more depends on how we would like to represent ourselves. The next point is sender email. I'm gonna leave as the main email of my Magento store, and here is body where we could type some message and add links to the product, add some specific text, for example coupons, and so on and so on. So for example, let's say hello, during the coming Black Friday we would like to offer you a coupon that will save you for example. And when I'm done, I'm gonna click save template, okay, and here is the template. Now if we would like to start sending it, we need to select this option from the drop-down selection, okay, and here we need to determine the date when you would like it to be sent. For example, 24, and time when we would like it to be sent, okay. 24 is actually Black Friday, so I have indicated the date, and now I'm going to click save newsletter, and we're in queue now, where we could check the status. Actually the queue located under marketing and newsletter queue, and here it have basic details when it's queued to be sent, what is the subject, what is the status, how many processed, and how many recipients. Another point that you may want to know is the reports, okay, and here you could find newsletter problems reports. You can track whether the newsletter works okay, and if not, you will see a number of records here related to the errors or problems. Practically that's all. Create newsletter. It's a very effective way to communicate with your customers and to sell more.